In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer a GitHub project or a repository to a new owner. So this is fairly simple. So here's what you need to do. Once you're inside of GitHub, find the project you want to transfer and click on it. Once you're then in the back end, go to settings in the top right hand corner. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and make sure you're on general and then scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and you'll see transfer ownership. Click on transfer, and then what you need to do is specify an organization or a username. Click on that and then enter in the username or the organization of the person you want to transfer it to. Now I'm transferring to my other account just to show you, which is called KnowledgeBase 2. So we'll type out the username KnowledgeBase 2, and then we need to type knowledgebase.yt/website to confirm. So just type what it says here. After you've done that, click I understand, transfer this repository. Make sure you've spelt it right. Okay, so now that's going to send a request to that other user's email address where they can then accept it. So this is what this transfer email is going to look like. It's going to give them a link which they can go ahead and click on. It will expire in a day though, so they'll have to do it within a day. So once they've clicked on that link, it will then take them back into GitHub, and they don't really have to do anything else. You can see now we've moved accounts, KnowledgeBase 2, and here is the project. So that's what you need to do. I hope that helped you out.